The following video explains how to import a gsdml file into a Siemens TIA Portal v17 system. Hello, welcome back. This is Gerd Zeller from Zeller Presscontrol Systems, and off we go. Okay, in a previous video I already showed you how to implement a HMI screen in a network configuration in order to make a visualization with a PLC CPU 1200 from Siemens. Now, if you want to add on further devices into that Profinet network, other than with the manufacturer from Siemens, you will need a gsdml file, which also says this is a general station description files that you can find here in the options, and it says GSD. So what is it needed for? The GSD file includes all the necessary information in order to implement it in the Profinet network or in the Profinet bus. And usually you download it from the manufacturer's side, internet side of the manufacturer from the device. In my case, it's a PILS unit, a safety configuration or safety relay, configurable relay. If you download the file from the site, it looks somewhat like this. It has a name that is just given from the manufacturer, and I downloaded it and extracted it, and it somewhat looks like this. You get a bitmap file that you can it just shows you the picture of the device being added to the network later on, and it includes a XML file which includes all the necessary information in order to get the device working into the Profinet. So I can open this with the text editor and we can have a look at it. It has lots of information in it, which I will not go through, and to be honest, I do not know all the information exactly what it means. But the important thing is there is a name somewhere here, the vendor name, that says PILS GmbH, and this name we will find later on once the gsdml file is imported. And in order to import it, we will go to the TIA Portal, to the Options tab, and open this this item here, the Manage General Station Description file. And there we can see some of them are already installed. And if you want to install a new file, you go to the three-button square here, or to the three-dot square here, and just look up where you stored the information. PILS. It should be right. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong. Should be right here. There it is. All right. So you choose the folder where the XML file is stored. Open this folder, and then you can see gsdml MES Profinet 2020, which you can also see on the name of the file up here, and you can also see it in your file system on your computer. This is the name, and this name you can also see on here. So once you got this chosen, then you just check mark it on here on the left side and push the install button. And once you got the install button pushed, you will have to wait a few seconds for the gsdml file being imported. Once it's done, you can see it here. Installation was completed successfully. Then you can close this window. And now it is actually updating the hardware catalog. And once this is done, we will be able to see we will be able to choose the device in the hardware catalog. Once we open the window for the devices and networks, we can see here the catalog again. And like I already said, it's named pills, so I just put this in the search window, and if everything went correctly, we will be able to see the pills device popping up. I hope it won't take too long. Alright, here it is under the item Profinet IO General, pills, GmbH, and pills again. And then here you will actually see the device that I will be needing to connect the pills safety controller with the CPU network, with the Profinet network. And like I did that on the HMI, I just drag and drop it over. And how to proceed on this, how to implement this, I will show you on another video, because I don't want to make all the videos too long, and you can choose the video that you need. And well, that was it. That was the explanation on how to implement or how to import a gsdml file into the TIA Portal V17 from Siemens. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.